Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preheating to 200 degrees C and prepping 4 ramekins so cakes release cleanly. Melt 1/2 cup butter with 100 g dark chocolate until smooth. This binds flavor and texture. While that cools a bit, whisk 1/2 cup sugar into eggs. This traps air and gives lift. Once done, fold the chocolate into the eggs gently. Make sure you don't deflate the mixture. Finally, add a crushed Oreo to each ramekin base to create the hidden. Now you combine eggs and yolks into the cooled chocolate to make a glossy, aerated batter. Fold, don't whip, because structure matters for the lava center. Next, sift in 1/4 cup flour and a pinch of salt. This gives strength but keeps the middle molten. You should aim for a thick, pourable consistency. Then, spoon batter into ramekins and press one whole or halved Oreo into the center, covering it so the cookie melts into a lava core during baking. Bake the ramekins 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees C. You want set edges and a jiggly center, which yields lava when inverted. Once baked, rest 1 minute, then run a knife around edges and invert onto plates. Dust with sugar and add the reserved Oreo cream or ice cream for contrast. If your center is too firm, shorten baking by 1 to 2 minutes next time. If it runs like soup, add 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to test one ramekin to dial timing precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.